Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do something fun. It's another DIY project. I have seen a video on TikTok recently that it's a kind of plane, and I wanted to make the plane. So for the plane you don't need anything else than two papers. It should be the same size, and like this, two of them. You need this, and I am going to need some staples as well. Wait, they must be here somewhere on my desk. Okay, but we find it later. So first of all, let's watch the video about how to make this thing. Going to take the yellow paper, or you can have whatever paper you want to use, but it's great to use this kind of paper because it has the same what do you call that, inches, I think. Yes, the same. So first of all, you're going to fold it like this. Okay, you know, just like this. You have to be very good at this. You cannot make mistakes, because one mistake and all of it will go in vain. So yes, you have to fold it like this. Then you have to open it like this. Then the another side up like this. You have to open it like, you have to fold it like this. Wait, let me just do it like this, and then fold it. Put it back and fold. Yes. Then we have to open it again. The next step is that, you know, you have folded this, right? So you are going to take this edge from here. You're going to fold it right in between here like this. You're going to fold it like this and then open it. You see, there is the same line going to this point right here. Then you're going to fold it once again here. Okay, like this. Now you have another line. So now you're going to fold this again here. Yes. And then you have another one. So the next process is, have you folded it already? Okay, then you will go and actually fold it. You know, if you fold it like this, you have to bring the edges to the lines like this. You have to fold it once more like this. So we're going to staple it. We have to make, let me just put this in here. We are going to yes, like here, like this. Don't use a tape or something, because if you use glue or tape, it won't work because it can lose easily. So that's why we are going to staple it. Yes, we have stapled it. So this is how the first one looks. Now we're going to make so now it's time for the wings, and you don't need much for the wings, just a piece of paper, but this is too big for the wings. So we're going to cut this paper into a small piece like this from here. Let me just use a ruler to show you guys what I mean. you can glue this like this, because if it flies, it will go like this. So you have to take you have to look, guys, before gluing it or before stapling it. You have to look if both sides are equally divided like this. You know, this one should be the same and this one should be the same. Let me have a look. Otherwise it will go like this, or it will go like this. So you have to make sure that, you know, the parts are equally divided. I think mine is great, so I will glue it with with wood glue, because that sticks very fast. So guys, it's already glued in here. You can see this, it's glued. I have used wood glue, this one. I'm not doing any promotions for this brand, but I'm just using this one, Collal, and it's amazing. It's an amazing glue. It sticks with everything, even wood, because it's wood glue, of course. So I'm using Collal. It's amazing. So we have glued this already. So we are going to let this dry a little bit for about 5 and 10 minutes. But because it dries very fast, so we're just going to make it dry. Let's put it here so it can dry. So it has dried, guys, if you can see. Now it's time for the test. Let's fly it through my garden. So 1, 2, it's a little bit, yeah, 1, 2, 3. This is amazing. I hope you guys have learned something from this. There are a lot of things to learn from TikTok and from Facebook, actually from social media. You can learn a lot from social media. This is something I created. I actually made this and I flew it, you know, from my balcony, and it flew actually. So it works. It's not fake, because so many people said it's fake, it's not working, but mine worked. Okay, I have proof in this video. It's mine worked. So I hope you guys can make this as well and learn your children some creativity, and you know, so that they can also be creative. So this is it for today, guys. I see you guys in my next video. So if you like this video, give it a big like. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss another update. Bye bye.